Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the PUBG performance on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now in this video, I will play PUBG in every graphics settings with the maximum frame rate supported. Now the Samsung Galaxy A26 supports PUBG on smooth graphics with extreme frame rate, with balanced graphics on ultra frame rate, HD graphics with ultra frame rate, and it also supports HDR with ultra frame rate. Now, if you select Ultra HDR, the Samsung Galaxy A26 does not support Ultra HDR graphics, and also it does not support Extreme HDR graphics. Now, first of all, I will play PUBG with smooth graphics on extreme frame rate. Now, as you can see, the gyro performance of the Samsung Galaxy A26 is pretty good. Now, as you can see, the PUBG performance on smooth graphics with extreme frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any frame rate drop. Now, I will change the graphics from smooth to balanced with ultra frame rate. Now the PUBG performance with balanced graphics and ultra frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any frame drop, and the smartphone is not warm. Now I will play PUBG with HD graphics on ultra frame rate. And as you can see, the PUBG performance on HD graphics and ultra frame rate is pretty good. It did not lag, but I felt some frame rate drop while gaming. Now I will play PUBG with HDR graphics and ultra frame rate. Now the PUBG performance with HDR graphics and ultra frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag, and the smartphone is a little bit warm from here. And this is the PUBG performance of the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.